Hi guys, how you guys doing? If my voice sounds weird, it's because last night I spent most of the night screaming and shouting at a DJ, so that's what I get, right? Okay, so we're about to leave and go check out some vegan spots in Cape Town. I don't know how many restaurants we're gonna check out because that's a lot of food in one day in a short space of time, but we're gonna check out as much as possible and I'm gonna show you how it goes. I am gonna try and add like a ratings system, right? Because I noticed that I only just show like the food, but I don't actually talk about how the food tastes and all that. So I'm gonna try like with as much food as possible. I'm gonna try and add like, was it good? Was it great? Would I recommend? What does it taste like? And all that stuff. So yeah, let's go and see how it goes. Asambin. Oh yeah, it's in Sunningdale. Oh, hi guys. So we're at the M&M Cafe. It's actually a music school that has a cafe that's open to the public. It is in Sunningdale in Cape Town. So if you really want to try it out, you should check it out. It's really nice because it's like, this is Monday and it's pretty quiet, but everything here is vegan. Yeah. Okay, hi guys. All right, so this is M&M Cafe, right? This is actually a music school that has a cafe that is open to the public. Am I correct? That's correct. Just checking with my cousin. She's got my lyrics. Yeah, it's my lyrics. So this is the first spot we're trying out. I'm going to be having a plant chicken mayo sandwich because I haven't had that in a little bit and I really am blessed to try that, right? And I'm gonna have a go-go green. It's got kale, so I'm hoping it doesn't get bitter. My aunt is gonna have blueberry smoothie and
salad wrap.
And a salad wrap.
She's a rapper.
What are you having now?
Because she raps like
It's a mango smoothie and it's called famous breakfast.
Okay, so my cousin's gonna have the mango smoothie and a famous breakfast. I will show you guys how they look and I'll add the prices and we will tell you how they actually taste afterwards. All right.
salad wrap and a blueberry smoothie. Really delicious. I enjoyed my meal. It was really tasty. I'm definitely coming back. M&M Cafe in Sunningdale. Don't forget.
I had the mango smoothie, and then I had what they called famous breakfast. Do I explain what's in the breakfast?
You can if you want to.
It was like toast, egg with nuggets, and
The egg is
salsa.
tofu?
Tofu, I think vegan, and the nuggets are also. I don't know what that was, but
Which one?
the nuggets. I don't know what it was made of.
Oh yeah, the nuggets seem to have like just some form of plant-based ingredients, but not sure what.
That's what I had. It was so good.
Alright. Did you enjoy it?
I did. I also am gonna come back.
Alright. Cool.
Okay, hi guys. So I had a plain chicken mayo sandwich and I absolutely enjoyed it. I liked it. I really liked it. It tastes almost similar to what I missed. I definitely missed it. Loved it. And then I had a go-go green smoothie, which at first I thought it tasted pretty bland, but the more I had it, I really did enjoy it, honestly. So we like the app. All right. Hi guys. Okay, so this time we're checking out Dolce, right? We're checking out Dolce. We decided because we just had breakfast, we're gonna have breakfast dessert. That's what we're gonna do. So it is apparently a coffee shop that it's entirely vegan, right? So it's entirely vegan. So we're gonna check out how it's got. Let's go. Let's go. I don't know. I only know the chorus, ma'am. The what?
you.